Hey everybody,
Today we are with TJ
and Tia.
and we are doing a mukbang and we are going to be we are going to be doing the Have You Ever challenge and we are going to be eating chicken, mashed potatoes, garlic bread, and greens.
Made by me. So we're going to start with let's taste the chicken and then tell me how it tastes. I want you to give me a review on how the chicken tastes before we start the game. Just bite the chicken. You gonna pick that chicken up? I don't really do fried chicken. I always bake my chicken, but he requested fried chicken, so I did fried chicken for my baby.
Real good.
Okay, good. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the have you ever or have you never game. And TJ gonna start.
Yep.
We wrote down the numbers
Yep.
of what we want to say. Let's see. You got question number 60.
I'm do 60 first. I'm do 60 first. Okay. Never have I ever gotten poop on my hand. Oh.
I have.
Me too.
By him. When he was a baby. Nasty.
I got it a couple.
It was everywhere.
I got it a couple of times.
How? Wipe your booty? How you get poop on your hand then?
Don't worry. I'm just picking. I was just picking up the dog.
You're disgusting. Disgusting. Next question.
72. Never have I ever stepped in dog poop with barefoot. Yes.
Not with barefoot. No.
I have. Barefoot. Barefoot. Next one. Next. 77. 77 hit. Never have I ever had a deep fried candy bar. Never.
Deep fried Oreo. Not a candy bar though.
Oh yeah, I had a deep fried Oreo, but not a candy bar.
Okay, so yeah. We'll go to the next
one. 82.
Excuse me, that was rude.
Never have I ever touched a worm. I touched a worm like 6 times.
Touched the worm too.
One time I named this worm.
So what? What's your name?
I named him. I think it was a girl, so I named it Bella.
How you know it was the girl?
I said I think. I know. It looked like a girl. 56. Let me go. No.
You keep touching it too fast. This chicken is good, y'all. Let me show y'all my chicken.
Mom. Oh yeah, it's so tired. Where's 50 at? Wait, what?
Here go 50 right there. Let it go.
56.
Right there.
Never have I ever sneezed out food. I threw up food and I sneezed out food.
I don't know if I sneezed out food. I don't know. I can't tell.
I used to bread and I cooked all the way.
It's not. It needs to be back in the oven.
Yep.
Okay, your next question.
Oh.
But you eating it though.
Yeah, it's kind of crispy.
Okay.
56. I know, y'all. It's 56 to 66. I know. It's by 10. Never have I ever had a awful feeling sunburn. No, never. Next one. 74.
Let's get into these greens though.
Never have I ever worn the same clothes for a week. Never. But I did
Never.
for 2 days though. That's all. 2 days. 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 Cause I already took a shower and I forgot to take a shower. So I was wearing the clothes for 2 days because I forgot to take a shower. Next one. 78. 78, 78, 778, 78, 778. Never have I ever eaten frog legs. No.
Did I taste frog legs before? I think I tasted frog legs. It was either frog legs or crocodile.
Ugh.
It was nasty regardless.
Ew. What was I just on? 78. Okay, 80. Never have I ever eaten ketchup by itself. Yes.
Yes.
Never have. Oh yeah, it's 280s. Never have I ever. 80 again. That's 280s. What other 80? I'm gonna do 81.
Yeah, go right there.
Oh yeah. Never have I ever woken up in a puddle of drool.
I have. I'm at home on a long night out partying with my friends. Knocked out.
I think on my birthday. Like,
You got
I think it was on my birthday.
you got cake wasted.
Huh?
You got cake wasted.
I think I did.
I got wasted with other things.
Okay, your turn. Time for me to eat. Let's try this chicken out. Ooh. Chicken out.
Okay.
Chicken out. And Dad, if you're watching this, just saying, my mom cooked better fried chicken.
Oh, you know he gonna be jealous. He gonna be jealous.
And better eggs.
He talk about those eggs. You cooked them. You didn't season them. It wasn't good.
It wasn't.
Okay. Never have I ever tripped over my shoelaces.
I have like
He don't. It's just like his shoelaces do not ever stay tied. Even
one
if
time
you don't.
I was going to school. I was like walking to school. Like my mama, she had dropped me off. She was like, we was like at the side, you know, with the side. I was like going in there, and I was trying to get in my line. I was trying to get in the line, and I had tripped, and I had hit my rib.
Forever falling because he's so clumsy.
And one time I did it at Drew's Oscar.
Ain't never tied up ever.
Ever.
But no, I don't think I tripped over my. Never ever have I fainted. Whew, I almost did when we went to Smith and Lewinsky.
Oh yeah.
I was over there like, okay, take it. Okay, take
It was when it passed out.
Passed out.
Like this.
They had to come and save me.
They had to have the people in the restaurant come save her. Literally.
Everybody was looking at us. We had Smith and Lewinsky's, and I'm over here having a whole panic attack because I'm about to faint out.
Yeah, Mike did it at the wrong time.
Okay. Never have I ever stayed up all night.
I have.
Definitely have did that. It's been some fun nights staying up all night.
I have. One time I partied with my cousins and stayed up all night.
Never have I ever had a bloody nose.
Never.
I had a bloody nose because I guess the weather or something. I don't know. I had a bloody nose.
You got a bloody nose for.
You know, the
Huh?
weather. If the air is too dry or something like that, I don't know. It was just bloody. Like when I blew my nose and then it started coming down.
I made somebody nose bleed, but We can't talk about that right now.
Never have I ever fallen out of the bed in the middle of the night. I think I have. I know you
My
have.
let me.
Putting your business out there in the streets. Because I put your business out in the streets.
I never did.
Yes, you have.
Never did.
He sleeps and you fell out of the bed a couple of times. Ever since she was little, you've been falling out of the bed.
Yeah, I fall out of the bed at my grandma's house too.
And I just be like, what did you do now? Okay, so.
Ooh, these chicken good.
Thank you. Never have I ever hidden things under my bed.
I look at me.
Because you have.
I have.
And I have too when I was younger.
And you still do to this day.
No, you still do to this day. I don't have to hide anything under my bed. So the next question is, never have I ever broken a bone.
Broken a bone.
I
Never.
fractured my knee
I never.
when I was in.
But I twisted my ankle though. I mean, I sprained my ankle though when I was playing basketball. But that's it.
I fractured my knee when I was in 7th grade. You ain't gonna get into that story. Okay, we got 2 more questions.
Excuse me. That burp was loud.
Never have I ever thrown up on someone.
I've thrown up a couple times, but not on
On
somebody.
somebody? I don't think I've thrown up on somebody.
You
No.
thrown up.
I've thrown up at people's cars.
Yep.
This
People houses.
is a good one. This is a good one. Never have I ever wiped. What did it say? Never have I ever wiped snot on my sleeve. He do it all the time. Little nasty.
I did that at school too.
No nasty. So yeah, that was my last question. Let's do a bonus question each.
Bonus question.
Let me look. Let me look.
How about we do just 5 more questions? I mean,
Okay.
a couple of more questions. I don't know how many, but we could just do.
Oh, that's a good one.
But
never have I ever ran into a glass door.
oh yeah, I did. So I was at my own house, right? And I was coming out to go get in the car with my mama, right? I thought my mama, she had opened the door, and then I just ran into the glass, and then I'm like, wait, was that the door?
I'm standing at the glass waiting for them to come out because they was taking all day.
Yeah, she was standing. That was her fault.
I was standing.
You were standing at the glass.
right by the glass,
And I thought the
he
door was
saw-
open.
He ran right into the glass. Shit was hilarious.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some challenges next weekend. So stay tuned.
Never have I ever been chased by an animal.
Oh, I have a whole lot of time. I got chased by animal. In my auntie house, I got chased by animal. Playing outside. At over Michigan.
Probably about a dog, but it wasn't nothing that serious.
Oh, one time I got chased by an animal. It was like a big old dog. It was like as big as this state.
Okay.
For real, it was. And it was really tall though. I don't get how it was tall.
Never have I ever danced in the elevator. All the time.
Me.
All the time.
Me. My place was big hostel.
Never have I ever pretend to understand something that I really had no clue.
Yeah.
All the time. Never have I ever had my zipper down without knowing.
Me.
I have. I think this is my last one.
How much you did?
I don't remember. I just been reading them.
Oh.
It's 250 of them.
250. We might give y'all part two. Part two.
Part two.
Part two. Part two. Part two. Part two. Part two. It might be something different.
Never have I ever made up my own nickname. All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Oh, this will go one more time. Never have I ever tried to contact my favorite celebrity.
Oh, yeah.
Who you trying to contact?
Jason Derulo.
What you say? Why Jason Derulo?
I don't know. He's just a singer. He's just my favorite singer.
Boy, you don't even know none of his songs.
I do.
What's one of his songs?
I don't know.
Exactly. Exactly. You just been on TikTok. You've been watching him on TikTok, right?
No, actually, Jason Derulo. I actually really didn't contact Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo, he contacted me.
What he say?
I don't know. He just sent me this link and I went to it, and then it was just his music and stuff.
Yeah, don't be following those links.
So I deleted his number.
Who have I contacted as a celebrity? I really don't do that. Like, I really don't get in celebrities' DMs. Like, I will heart pictures on Instagram or whatever. I might even comment. That's rare too. Like, I really don't comment either. So I don't know. Nobody really. Okay,
Oh, Mom. What if you comment on somebody on a rapper, like a rapper page, and then they respond back to you? What you gonna do? I'm done with that shit.
I really don't get fanned out, so I mean, I don't know. Maybe if I see like,
Oh yeah, y'all saw that
Beyonce.
video that blew up. I want y'all to get more than that. Like and subscribe and comment, because we could get more views like that. I want y'all to get up to 5K views. Last time we hit 3.4K views. I haven't
Short.
checked it yet on a short.
on a short video.
So please make this
We a new channel.
hit 5K
5.
views.
Even more than that. Keep it going.
Y'all would just keep it going, adding up, 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 until we make like $1 million, and then we could support y'all. Probably make some merch. Probably, I don't know. We could probably get some merch. You know, I could probably meet one of my fans.
Boy. We don't call them fans. Call them supporters.
Supporters. I could probably meet one of my supporters. Now my turn.
These are homemade potatoes as well.
Ooh. Never have I ever spoken a second language. Yes to my teacher.
You spoke English to your teacher?
No,
Well,
I spoke Spanish. I said, hola.
I know a little something about Spanish.
Hola. Nom, nom, nom. It's rude. I know. That's good.
You steady eating that bread that you said it ain't always cooked.
What? It's good.
That means
I can't stop
it's probably
eating.
already cooked. It's cooked. It just needed to be probably heated up some more.
Might do y'all part two. I don't know.
This is not it. Garlic bread.
Nah.
You got the freezer and you just put them in the oven.
Man, your greens are too salty.
It's too salty.
Yes.
I like it.
I didn't know.
How the mashed potatoes taste?
I never drank it. Oh, I never tasted it yet. Only tasted the greens and the chicken.
Last time I cooked it wasn't enough salt. Now it's too much.
Next time we do some greens, the next time we do some greens, we need to find out.
That's okay. All I gotta do is put some more water in it. And
That's
take
good.
some of the, use the fork.
This is good.
It is a tad bit salty, but they still
Yeah,
good.
20 minutes.
It's still good, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's still salty.
Yep. I'm trying to let's go around. Oh yeah, my turn.
We ain't gonna make this a real long video. We're gonna stop it in a minute.
Never have I. We're gonna do a part 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever started a fire. Never have I ever accidentally started a fire. Have I?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I did.
But it was kind of my fault because I shouldn't have never told him to do it.
Yeah.
I was doing something in my room, and he was what we was cooking in the oven.
I don't know. We just cooked something, and I was saying she told me to get out the oven.
And he gonna take off his shirt. I have an electric stove, so the bar at the bottom is electric. He gonna take off his shirt and try to get away his shirt, and the shirt touched the heated plates at the bottom.
And I ran away.
And he ran away from the sink to the back of the house to my room with the shirt on fire. I couldn't even be mad at him because I shouldn't have told him to do it. But
I wasn't really prepared for that.
I did. I accidentally set it on fire while I was making candles. And I think I left it on the stove, the wax on the stove for too long or something. Caught on fire somehow.
I remember you used to do wax stuff. You still do it?
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever cried during an animated movie. No, I never. I don't like animated movies at all.
We watched an animated movie last night.
What? That's not no animated movie.
Yes, it is an anime. Not an anime.
It's not.
You
Comment down below if Dragon Wish is an animated movie.
not anime. What a question that? Let me see. What a question that? Animated. That means cartoon.
That was. Comment down below if Dragon Wish is cartoonish. Comment down below.
Yes, it is a cartoon.
If y'all want Team TJ fam, say yes. If y'all want Team TJ fam, say no. But if y'all not on Team TJ fam, if y'all want Team Tia fam, say yes.
It's a dang on cartoon movie on Netflix.
Don't listen to her.
Animated.
Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her.
Next question,
Don't
please.
listen to her. Don't listen to her. Never have I ever slept with contacts still in my eyes.
No.
I don't know what that is.
It's like instead of wearing glasses, people put prescription contacts in their eyes. Some be changing the
Never.
color.
Never.
Oh, some of them not even prescription. Some people just be wearing them to change the color of their eyes.
Weird. Never have I ever done something super embarrassing in class.
Yep, I did.
I think I slipped in class.
My dad came up to the school and embarrassed me.
What you doing?
Talking back to the teacher.
I never did. I never disrespected my teacher, but I remember some dude. My teacher, she was counting, right? She was just counting, like skip counting, just keep on skip counting, and then one dude, he had shouted out 30. I don't know what he just shouted. She just shouted out 30. So
And what number she was on?
Huh?
What number she was on?
She was on like 16.
And he just said 30.
Yeah, he said 30. He did this though. He said 30. And then the whole class started laughing.
Okay, y'all. That's part one.
Part 1. We're gonna give y'all part 2. Part 2. And part 2, I am going to be evil.
Bye bye.